good morning again.
Good morning, yes.
Sinuses.
Yeah, sorry, I'm a little bit out of it this
It's going to be a bit nasally on this video, I reckon.
No, it's alright, I'll have some garlic. I'll be right.
Yeah, I'll get you a lot of garlic though, don't worry, I'll get you some garlic bread. That'll help. So we're on a little walk to the train station so we can catch a train to Cortona. So if you watched the last video, Cortona is this tiny little town right on top of a hill, and it's just absolutely sensational. We went there 11 years ago and had the best time.
Just loved it.
Just absolutely loved it to bits. So
loved it. And that's where the film Under the Tuscan Sun is filmed.
Exactly, not Eat, Pray, Love.
So
that's Bali.
That's Bali.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I think that's what made the town kind of famous, I think, right? I mean, it was famous for Tuscany before, but the book made the town a little bit more popular, I think.
Yes.
So, yeah, we're going to head to the train. Train's at 10:49, and catch a train there, and then we actually catch a train to the town next to that town, next to Cortona, and then we've got to get a bus or a taxi or an Uber or walk. So it's about 2.5 k's, but it's uphill. So we'll see how we feel when we get there. We'll see how we feel. But stick around and see this beautiful, beautiful Tuscan town.
Definitely. Cannot wait.
Made it to the station, plenty of time on our hands. That was good, got our little tickets.
Yep, got the tickets in my bag.
Lovely.
Stamped it. We're ready to go.
Stamped it in this machine here, which we didn't know.
No.
Anyway, we stamped it. And yeah, 20 minutes to get to that little town. So the town is...
That's so close.
Yeah. This one. 149, 4075. It always goes from platform 3. So that's pretty good. Camucia Cortona, that's the town.
Okay. Cool.
We're the only ones wearing shorts for some reason.
It's a nice 25 degrees and people are wearing jumpers. Oh, that's nice weather for us.
It's good weather, jeez, great weather. Nice comfortable seats, no complaints.
Nice. Yeah.
And one stop.
Yeah, that's it.
I'd say the name, but I'll butcher it. Yeah, it's a hard one to pronounce. Camucia. So we're here, and well, Cortona's only 2.5 kilometers away, but it's straight uphill.
Really uphill.
It's straight up. So we're going to work out whether we're going to actually walk it up,
ride from somebody,
or Uber it, or taxi it, or bus it. So
let's see what's around.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Gosh, so long we've been here.
Oh god, it's so long since we've been here. We drove here last time.
That's right.
Let's find a ride. You can actually just see it up there in the distance.
It's a lot further than 2.5 k's.
2.5 k's. It's high, baby. This is Piazza Garibaldi. That's where they just dropped us off. We caught a cab. We actually split a cab with a nice American couple.
Oh, so lovely.
Yeah, they're in Europe for 4 months.
Yes, that's right.
So yeah, 7.50 each, 15 euros for the cab, which is pretty good.
Pretty cheap.
But we can walk down, because walking up would have killed us, but walking back will be alright.
Well, I don't know about that. Depends how much we're eating.
Yeah, true. That's true.
Enjoy ourselves.
That's true.
Oh my gosh, I wonder if this is all going to be the same. Do you remember where we stayed last time?
I remember where we stayed, so we'll walk around there, but
Gosh, it brings back memories.
so many memories.
Oh my goodness.
This is Piazza della Repubblica. This is sort of the main area. So we just had a bit of a wander down this road here on the left-hand side where we stayed last time, Hotel San Michel.
Yeah, brings back a lot of memories.
Brings back a lot of memories.
It?
Yeah.
Still the same.
Yeah, still the same.
Still the same.
It's awesome.
Oh, so nice.
There's an awesome little jewellery shop that Abby loves called Del Brenner. That's just around the corner.
Around there. We'll
yeah,
go there later.
after.
Pop in and see if it's changed. Before it was here, it changed.
Changed, yeah.
It was somewhere near before. I remember we were sitting right here and they did a big reenactment. The whole town got involved. Oh, it's such an awesome night.
We had dinner here a couple of times.
Oh, I remember that.
Yeah. So good.
Memories. It was awesome.
Oh.
Yeah.
maybe. Goes right up.
Yeah, alright, we'll have a look around.
We saw a little pug last time, we saw a burro, and he was 1, so he'd be 12 now.
About that, but yes, that's true.
Difficult to see through the trees, but how's the view?
Oh wow, the trees are really gross.
Oh yeah. Well, you can see right this is all clear, but this is a view from the car park, by the way. Yeah. You can see this is like the wall part of the city, and that's the entrance we just came out of. So we walked up past that where all the clothes were for sale and come back down this side. So.
There's a huge walkway that goes right around as well.
Yeah, okay.
I remember we did that last time.
We did a couple of big walks last time. Well, it's pretty special. Just having 5 seconds on the steps. Listen to the bells. Enjoying the sun. AB's looking at Del Brenner. It's pretty idyllic here, let me tell you. It's just a beautiful little town. Not a great deal to do, to be honest, but just good to be around, good to be part of. Buy something?
No, I just wanted to have a look. They have a massive showroom, but I don't remember where that is.
Yeah.
It's a little bit further out, but maybe a snack.
Some food? What is lunchtime?
Well, maybe something. What do you think?
Yeah, I reckon.
Exactly the same as it was.
It was.
All those
Nothing's changed.
ago. Not much has changed.
No. It's good just to sit here and have a bit of a look around.
It's just lovely. It's a great little half a day trip, I reckon.
Yeah.
From where we are, just have a bit of a break and
As
reminisce.
I say, it's lovely to come, but it's not a great deal to do.
No, I know. It's a very small little place.
Yeah.
Like a day trip would be enough if you've never been here before. We've already been here, so it's a bit different. But if you want to have a long lunch, look around some trinkets, some shops, you know, great day trip. We stayed here 2 nights last time.
2 nights we stayed here.
Yeah.
We drove to park at the bottom, drag our bags all the way up the hill. That was okay though.
That was fun. I guess for us, just a reminisce kind of moment.
Yeah.
That's all.
Just nothing's changed. We've changed a lot.
Yeah,
but nothing's changed here.
But yeah, it's definitely a great place to come visit if you want to, if you like, I guess maybe the movie Under the Tuscan Sun, or you just wanted to take half a day trip if you're in Tuscany or something like that.
In the movie they had a fake fountain here.
Yeah, that's right, they did, didn't they?
There is no fountain there. They put a fountain there for the movie, but
yeah.
But we're going to go back, and there's a little shop over there where they sell pottery and bits and pieces, and I broke one of the dishes we got, and AB broke one as well, so we're going to go get replacement dishes. They still sell them.
Extra ones, so if we break them, we've got extras.
And maybe go have a pizza.
Yes, I think so.
Alright then. And another good lookout point. Church here. Breathtaking views.
It's just lucky that it's on a hill. That's what makes it
so pretty. It's just spectacular, isn't it? Absolutely amazing.
very nice.
We've got a lunch spot behind the market here, but we've this little place, Trattoria de Cuculi, and we're going to get the La Capricciosa pizza and some patata french fries.
We're just going to be carving it today. Today's our carby day.
And the dude inside's cranking.
He's loving
he loves this song. He's just doing the drum solos himself, and it's a Michael Jackson.
Oh, it's Michael
Smooth
Jackson.
Criminal.
Different versions.
Yeah, hopefully we don't get done for a copyright strike on this one.
So good.
Got pizza and chips.
What a combo.
Good combo. Bad day today. Anyway, who cares? Old mate got his guitar out. Started playing guitar. It was pretty cool. He's having.
Was that his guitar?
That's his guitar. Yeah. He's having an awesome time. He's just enjoying the hell out of his life, and that's so awesome to see.
Everyone should be more like that.
So we're gonna finish eating this, and then go back and get those little pots, and then
little bowls.
and then wander back down, I think. demolished that.
All gone.
All gone. I think he's playing a little bit of guitar solo. No,
He's
stopped.
enjoyed himself.
He's having a great day. He loves his Saturdays, that bloke. And we're going to go get exactly. Everyone should be enjoying their Saturdays. We're going to go get those little pots and start walking back, I reckon.
Yes, let's do that.
All right, let's do it.
Cool.
These are little dishes I broke.
I love those ones.
They're beautiful, but we can't take them home.
They're the ones we broke.
We're not going home for the next 11 months, so it might be hard to carry them around the world. This is the little shop that sells the stuff. It's awesome. It's beautiful, all made in Cortona. We were talking to the guy at the restaurant who was playing the guitar and singing, and he didn't want to be on camera, but he's the happiest guy. He was so happy. So it was good to see. It's really lovely to see happy people. One last view before we head back down the hill.
Got our bowls?
Got our bowls, that's good.
We are ready to go.
Yeah, that's the lake over there. So that's this is the town we're going to go to for our train. It's 2.5 k's of the massive lake over there, which I can't remember the name of. It'll come to me. I'll just Google it real quick. Lago Tresemeno. You just see it's a bit misty today, isn't it? Bit haze in the air.
Tomorrow's gonna rain.
Yeah, and there's our train station just around here somewhere. It's 2.5 k's, 30 minutes.
Okay, we've got this.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right. Bye bye, Cortona. See you next time. Google Maps brought us into someone's olive farm.
We are in the middle. Where are we?
I don't know. It's that way. You can see the town easy.
God.
Yeah, it's the most picturesque olive farm in town. There's Cortona.
Oh, wow, look how far we've gone.
It's going good.
Lots of hills. My gosh.
These are pretty old olive trees as well. We've been growing at home for like 10 years and nothing. These ones are pretty good. Look.
Slow.
Turn around and told AB, be careful, don't slip, and slipped over. That was genius. And slippery. Voila. Look, back at the train station. So
That was a walk and a half.
That was a walk. We've got thighs of steel at the moment.
Oh yeah, I can
Walk
feel
downhill for all that time. It's just absolutely incredible. It makes you feel it, that's for sure.
Oh gosh, yeah.
But we're gonna go find the train.
Yep.
Back to Arezzo. Then we're gonna I don't know what we're gonna do today.
You're gonna chill. You're gonna make.
I'm gonna make
my
pasta.
Fabulous food.
Make some picky pasta.
I cannot wait. Picky pasta and some garlic
bread
I
as
need
well.
it for my sinus.
And a nice cool glass of tonic juice.
Yes.
Hope you enjoyed the video. You with us all the way up there to Cortona.
And you got to reminisce a little bit.
Yeah,
Well, we
reminisce,
reminisce, but you got to see our reminiscence.
Yeah, you knew what we're reminiscing about. So next video I think we're going to do, I'm not sure. Anyway, see you in the next video.
See what happens. Bye.